The U.S. Department of Justice on Monday said a woman known as the Ketamine Queen has agreed to plead guilty to supplying the drug that killed Friends actor Matthew Perry. Jasveen Sangha, who had been scheduled to go on trial in September, will plead guilty to 5 federal charges, the department said in a statement. Perry died from the acute effects of ketamine, according to the autopsy. Perry had publicly acknowledged decades of substance abuse. This included the years he starred as Chandler Bing on the popular 1990s sitcom Friends.